is going on, everybody? It's your boy back in another video, and today I am going to show you guys how to make this offensive threat build. It is very, very good. So good that I am grinding it out to a 95 or an 85. I think I'm just gonna grind it out to as high as I can really get it at like the point. So probably a 95. So yeah, let's get right into it. So you know, goldfish just for the memes, and then position, you want point guard. You want to be, you can be left-handed or right-handed. I chose left-handed, but yeah. So you don't want this one, you don't want this one, you don't want any of these. That actually, we're not gonna talk about that. But this is the one that you're gonna want to choose. You're gonna want the playmaking and shooting one, and then you're gonna want the one with the most speed, which is the one at the top. Right here, and it has the most acceleration as well, I'm pretty sure. And so you're gonna want close shot maxed out, driving layup maxed out, driving dunk about halfway. You don't want either of those. You want mid-range shot, move that up, move that up, move that up, and then you're gonna want pass accuracy down to a. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go 88. Ball handling 88 as well. You're gonna want interior, and then all this, and then so you can go for like just for badges. You can go for more shooting badges. You can max this out, and for more finishing badges, you can like max these out or whatever. Which I'm not gonna do that. But I mean, like, to get like 2 finishing badges, that'd be nice. So I'm gonna do that, and then for more playmaking badges, I'm gonna go that. And
so on my offensive threat build that I made, it's the same exact one as this, but I don't know how, but I somehow nudged in 5 finishing and defensive rebounding badges. I don't know how though.
And so that's really what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm working on right now. And then, so you can go built, don't go slight. You can go built or compact, doesn't really matter. I went built on my build. So this makes her 3 really good. You don't want that. 6'6", you don't want that either. You want you can go I'll put mine on a 6 foot, but honestly, you don't have to listen to me. But I mean, if you want to make this build, then listen to me. You can put weight really at whatever you want. It doesn't really affect anything but your lateral quickness. So you could go like, I went like lowest, but it doesn't really matter. Wingspan, you want that lowest, and then you can do slasher, spot up shooter, playmaker, or shot creator. Don't do slasher. Don't do spot up shooter. Please do playmaker or shot creator, because those are way better for this build. And so yeah, I went with playmaker or shot creator or playmaker. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, so now you have made this build. Trae Young, Jerry West, and Kyrie Irving is what it's similar to. So yeah, that's really the build. And to test the build, I'm not gonna actually test it. I'm just gonna show you guys the badges. So yeah, here we go. I'm not gonna go 99. I'm gonna go what you can go to max right there. And then 95 finishing badges. You can go slithery finisher and like relentless finisher or something like that. I don't really know. It's up to you. You can do this. You need to go quick draw. You want Deadeye, Hudson, range extender, green machine. You can go volume shooter, kind of like that. I think that's what I would run with. And then you can go, don't go ankle breaker, that's not good. Go dimer, handles for days, quick first step, and then you want Lob City passer at like silver-ish kind of. And then you can do space creator for ball handling. You can actually bring this down to like a gold or a silver. I'd go silver, because you don't want really any of your badges bronze, because they're not very effective. You can do unpluckable, and then tight handles as much as you can. make that silver, and then, so yeah. So that's it for those badges, and then these you can do, I'd go clamps probably, or you can do pickpocket and intimidator, or, pickpocket and clamps, or, I can do intimidator and clamps. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's really it. That's the build. And
hey guys, it's Luke here, and I just want to tell you guys that you need to do the story mode in My Career if you want badges. It helps you get badges way faster, and it makes your build a lot better when it comes to like Park and NBA. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Road to 1K. Love you guys. Peace.